just on my way now to race start, which is always exciting. It's only about sort of 10 or 15 minute cycle from here, which is nice just to get the legs still moving a little bit. Oh, truth be told, I haven't really been feeling that great. Got a bit of a cold and a sore throat, but we're going to give it our all anyway. So, hey, we'll see what it comes to when we're actually on the start line and running around the streets of Cambridge. Yep, so just cycling along here, a little bit of another dirt path. I'll see you at Midsummer Common. Oh, it's so cold. Go on, Sam. Nice one.
Keep pushing!
Hey, nice.
Patrick!
Oh, 1 mile to go.
Thank you back a lot,
Great running.
You can see the emotion, you can see how much it means to our athletes. We will have some amazing
What a race that was. Wasn't really expecting to get under the 1:15, so very, very pleased actually. Yeah, as I said this morning, feeling very groggy and cold, sore throat, not brilliant, haven't been running that much. But actually, very, very pleased. Woo. Off to get my medal. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much.
$155. 57.
Just on my way back home now after a good Sunday roast and an even better half marathon. Oh, I am pleased with that. Pleased to get through it. Pleased to get a decent time as well, with just dipping under the 1:15 mark. Anyway, get home, get have a shower and put my feet up. Bye bye bye.